So you keep running ad, either Facebook ads, Google ads, and the rest. You keep wasting your money on ads, and unfortunately these ads are not converting. So what do? You know that you can actually get clients organically. You just need to do this one thing on your website so that you can be able to be getting leads freely to your site. You can be able to be getting people reaching out to you. So what you just need to do is search for keywords that your audience is searching for. What niche are you into? Are you in IT? Maybe you do networking, cabling, network management, cyber security, IT support. So these are the things you do, and you know the solutions you are rendering. Just solutions. Just search for those keywords that, okay, these are the things that people are looking for. They want somebody to manage their they want somebody who will give them cyber security solutions. So what you need to do is go to your website, add those keywords. The title of your site should contain that keyword. Your meta description should contain that keyword. The contents on your site should contain those keywords. Your pages, your images, your videos should also contain those keywords. Those keywords are called alternate text when it comes to image optimization. Okay, so let's say you are blogging, you also have a blog, because another thing that gives businesses visibility is adding a blog to their website. So let's say you have a blog and you are blogging. Try to blog on topics that are related to what you do, and those topics, ensure you select keywords, words that people are looking for. Add them to your title, add them to the content that you're actually writing. Let it have at least 10% of your content. 10% of that your content should have those keywords that people are searching for. Those keywords you want to target, they are called keywords. Then in your website, there is where you will put focus keyword. So try to have them at least in your subheadings, in your title, your meta description, your images. Do them very well, place them strategically, and make sure that when you are putting those keywords on your content, that they flow naturally, so that Google will not frown at it as if you are trying to do keyword stuffing. There is what we call keyword stuffing. So make sure that those content flow naturally. Now, you may say, okay, how will I find those keywords? How will I find those words that my audience are looking for? You don't need to start looking for tools that you will pay. Google itself can give you these keywords. There is what we call Google autocomplete. When you go to Google, that place you type for something. When you type, let's say you write something like digital products. You've not even finished what you're typing, just leave it, and you will see options will just come out. Those options will come out will show you, means that these are what people are actually searching for. So you can now scroll through. The one at the top is the top most research keywords, searched keywords by people. So you can pick the one or two depending on what your interest is, what you actually want to achieve. How about when it is YouTube videos that you are doing? You can also do the same thing. Go to YouTube, the search bar in YouTube, and then put those keywords. When you put those keywords, this will help you to be able to be discovered by your audience. So this is how you can be able to get visibility without you spending money on running ads, without you spending money on Google ads or Facebook ads. When you do this, you can get that visibility, you can get those leads, you can close those sales that you are searching for. Okay, so try this out now and let me know, maybe later, after some weeks or a month or how long, whenever you want to just try it and come back and give me your testimonials in the comment section. Okay, or if you have also tried this out before and it worked for you, put it in the comment section, let me know. Or if you're having any issues doing it, just drop a comment in the comment section. Please do well to subscribe, like, follow me, share, and do what? Comment. Turn the notification bell so that when next I post, you'll be notified, and do what? Come and watch and learn. Bye.